Itemini ria guthaitira mutito wa Mau aikari a kaunti cia Narok na Nakuru ni manyitanire kuhukia uthukangi wa mutito uyu.
Ningependa pia kuhimiza watu from Narok County and Nakuru County, because the Mau forest lie between the two counties, to be active, more especially those people who are living around that forest, so that they won't cut or they won't tolerate the destruction of those trees that are growing naturally in that forest.
Nigi ikaro-ini kiria kirarehire hamwe makiria aikari 150 aria maretekanirie kunyitanira na thirikari guthaitira mutito uyu.
We are working with our partners like Kenya Forest Service and the county government to say that those who wants to destruct the forest should not have a chance to actually do illegal business, because this Mau forest is internationally recognized and it serves larger part of this continent, and we urge people not actually to destroy the forest, instead support the farmers to conserve the forest.
Murugamiri wa maria maturigiceirie kaunti ya Nakuru akiuga ni marathagania mathomo ma guteithiriria muingi kugia na umenyo wa uria mangithaitira maria maturigiceirie. Oho akiuga ni megukorwo makihanda miti makiria ya 700,000 iria ikuhandwo mutito-ini uyu.
The community people were able to learn a lot from the project, and as we speak now we have more than 700,000 tree seedlings in the tree nurseries which are ready for planting in the next rainy season.
Mutito wa Mau niguo munene Kenya na ukoragwo mugunda-ini wa makiria ya eka 400,000. Giribotera Kameme TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.